But we start this show with the fallout of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. Well, that exercise has officially begun in West Bengal and other states today. But what should have been a routine administrative process has quickly turned into a political battlefield. And here's why. Because Mamata Banerjee, along with her nephew, is about to lead a massive protest rally in Kolkata, calling the exercise politically motivated. The BJP, however, has strongly backed the SIR exercise. Party leaders Suvendu Adhikari and Shramik Bhattacharya say it's a much-needed step to purge fraudulent voters from the rolls. But what you can expect in the next few hours is a huge face-off between Mamata Banerjee's party and the BJP in the state of Bengal.
The way people have been suffering and the way people have been inflicted with terror in the last 6-7 days, especially from the time SIR has been announced, we have lost 6 precious lives. And who is responsible for their death? It is only the Election Commission. So Election Commission are the ones who should be held responsible, because the Chief Election Commissioner has blood on his hands. He has announced an SIR without consulting with his respective counterparts and without any proper discussion and deliberation with the respective state governments, just because BJP has ordered him to do so.
SIR कितना जरूरी है?
एकदम नहीं है।
SIR लेकर इतना पैनिक क्यों बंगाल में और स्टेट में तो हो रहा है, 12 स्टेट में?
ये साजिश है, षड्यंत्र है, इसलिए इसको विरोध करना चाहिए।
12 राज्य में सबसे ज्यादा बवाल पश्चिम बंगाल में इसलिए है कि पश्चिम बंगाल की वोटर लिस्ट में सबसे ज्यादा रोहिंग्या का नाम है, बांग्लादेशी मुस्लिम घुसपैठियों का नाम है, क्वाड्रा एंट्री है, ट्रिपल एंट्री है, डबल एंट्री है, खाली जो जमीन का प्लॉट है उसमें भी वोटर्स है। जिस प्रदेश में जनसंख्या से ज्यादा आधार कार्ड है तो उसी जगह तो ऐसा हल्ला मचेगा। और ममता बनर्जी हल्ला मचा रहा है जानबूझकर। आज पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता ने ठान लिया है कि ममता बनर्जी को विसर्जन दे के रहेंगे। और आज पश्चिम बंगाल का जो स्थिति है, ममता बनर्जी अपने काले करतूते से जनता की नजर हटाने के लिए, एंटी इनकम्बेंसी को पार करने के लिए SIR को ढाल बना रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी SIR होगा।
उनको चुनाव प्रचार करना है, उनके जो वोटर्स है जो छट जाए यहाँ से, उनको मैसेज देना है। लेकिन इतना करने का बावजूद भी बांग्लादेशी खुद यहाँ से देश छोड़कर भाग रहे हैं। और जैसे जैसे SIR आगे बढ़ेगा, देखिए ऐसे बहुत बांग्लादेशी यहाँ से छोड़ के चले जाएंगे। चाहे ममता बनर्जी कुछ भी कर लें, वो यहाँ नहीं रह पाएंगे।
SIR को मुद्दा बनाने की कोशिश हो रही है, जबकि बंगाल की असली मुद्दा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, जॉब नहीं है बंगाल में। दैट इज द इशू। वुमेन्स आर गेटिंग रेप, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार हो रहा है, दैट इज द इशू। इन सब इशुओं को दबाने के लिए ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी।
Joining me live from Kolkata on that huge SIR showdown are Shreyashi De, Associate Editor. She joins me live from Red Road, and Ritik Mondal, Principal Correspondent. He's joining me live from Dharamtala in Kolkata. Shreyashi, coming to you. When are we expecting Mamata Banerjee to start that huge mega rally that she has planned along with her nephew? What's on the agenda?
Well, at 2 p.m, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will arrive on Red Road, where the rally will begin from Ambedkar statue, and it's a 5-kilometer walk towards Rabindranath Tagore's ancestral home in Jorashako. Symbolic location, one, the father of the Constitution, Ambedkar, and then after walking towards Rabindranath Tagore's residence in Jorashako here in central Kolkata. Now this SIR rally, of course, very significant given the fact that the rollout happens today. The enumeration forms have begun being distributed across the state, and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be sending out a message to the people of West Bengal that this is an attempt by the central government to not only remove voters from the voters list, but also an attempt to bring in NRC, which is what the Trinamool Congress has been saying. Now, of course, the political temperatures are high in West Bengal. There will be elections early next year in this state, and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is utilizing this issue to hit out at the BJP, which has never come to power here in West Bengal. And the Trinamool Congress has already thrown a challenge to the centre, saying in case even one valid voter is eliminated from the list, then they will be taking their fight to New Delhi at the EC's doorstep. Now, this entire political fight between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress has opened out over the SIR issue here in West Bengal at a time when around 12 states and union territories are all seeing this exercise being rolled out. But West Bengal remains a hotbed, considering it shares around 10 districts along the border of Bangladesh, and the BJP has time and again made references that there could be infiltrators who are vote banks of the Trinamool Congress. But of course, we will be bringing you all the details from the Chief Minister's rally here in Kolkata, where she will be addressing the general public and Trinamool Congress supporters at the end of it. Back to you.
Shreyashi, do stay with me. I also have Ritik Mandal joining us live. Ritik, a huge political showdown expected today and in the coming days. We've had a lot of comments being made by the Trinamool Congress leaders as well as the BJP. It's going to be, like Shreyashi said, a hotbed for the face-off between these two parties over SIR over the coming days.
Well, definitely, it's a big day for as far the Bengal and its politics is concerned. As we know that officially the SIR process has already begun. Election Commission has has told us that over 80,000 BLOs within a span of 1 month they will reach to at least over 7 crore and 66 lakhs voters pan out across 294 assembly seats in West Bengal. It's a huge task, and a lot of politics are lined up today, as Shreyashi just rightly pointed out. Remember, today is the big day as Mamata Banerjee and her party has picked up and chose this day when SIR has just begun to protest against this SIR, the role revision. We are currently bringing this broadcast from Dharamtala area. I will take you through the stretches where in a short while from now Mamata Banerjee and her nephew Abhishek Banerjee, who hold party's National General Secretary post, will march towards Jora Shakho, which is precisely because it's considered as the birthplace of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Now, TMC wants to send out a tough message, be it for the Bharatiya Janata Party or the Election Commission. Remember, BJP is not leaving any stone unturned to hit out at Trinamool Congress-led dispensation. Following a High Court order, the leader of the opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, will take out a march in North Chobbish Pargana district, precisely in Shodhpur area, to support SIR. The BJP has categorically stated that TMC, in order to prevent infiltrators or to shield illegal infiltrators in the state of West Bengal ahead of 2026 crucial election, they are opposing SIR. So
yes,
what they do understand that in hours to come, that a lot of political showdown and tutu meme are going to take place in Kolkata. Back to you.
Ritik and Shreyashi, thank you for joining us live from Kolkata. We, of course, will come back to you live when Mamata Banerjee hits the streets of Kolkata. It's a 5-kilometer mega rally that she's holding along with her nephew. They're taking on the Election Commission and the SIR process, which is already underway in the state of West Bengal and other states as well.